Oh, this recut video now focuses on how Zach fixed this Renegade, and if you have an independent suspension vehicle, I think this is a must-watch video. Now, I have just picked up an IFS off-roader myself, and since off-roading can be rough, I'm a bit concerned about repeating our Tincup incident while filming trail guides in 2022, so I think I might need to talk to Zach about getting an unhuckinator for myself.
Sorry, we didn't. All I saw was dust behind me, dude.
Jack underneath my seat, unless I take everything out of it.
Huck here, and this morning we're getting this Renegade down off Tincup Pass. We brought this homemade unfuckinator, and we need to slip it over this tie rod in here. It's gonna first go over this end, as well as over this end. But first, as you can see, we need to grind down this stud so we can get this nut off. So let's get to that. As you can see, we've just cut some divots and kind of flattened out the tie rod here, and that's so our bolts have something to grab onto, as opposed to just the smooth cylindrical shape of the tie rod. Come back with it. Other way one more time.
Here is where Mike thinks the Renegade broke, and we definitely plan on returning with Mike to show you off-roading is a learning experience. Anyway, here's some of our early trail guides, and as soon as I get over this nasty sinus infection, I'm going to be making some new ones for you.
Oh, shit.